Are you mad, Charlotte?
No.
Oh. It was better when you said it. Will you tell me a story? Parise. That's how Charlotte says surprise. She says parise.
Ta-da!
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 Tell me a story. What's your name? What does the cow say?
Moo!
What does the horse say?
Neigh! Neigh!
What does the duck say?
Quack!
What does a pig? Can you say what a pig says?
Wink, wink!
What does a rooster say? What does a turkey say?
Chuck, chuck.
Turk, turk. What does a Charlotte say?
Chuck.
What's Daddy's name?
Chuck.
What's our Daddy's name?
Charlotte.
His name's not Charlotte. What's Daddy's name?
Daddy man.
Daddy Man. Can you sing Itsy Bitsy Spider?
I don't out in the sun and I away and it pretty spider. Mommy, come on.
Yay! Good job!